Hi there, Mikhailo is here. You bought your first telescope and decided to observe some stars through it. But instead of stars, you see images like this or this. I came across such a problem and I know its solution. In the next time when you will observe through your telescope, use your focuser. Focuser is the thing that is needed to focus the image. How to use your focuser? For example, you decided to observe Venus through your telescope, but instead of Venus, we see an incomprehensible blurry crab. So now we use the focuser and start spinning it. We spin the focuser until we see Venus clearly. Cool! The problem resolved. In the next time when you would see a planet or a star in this way, just use your focuser. Thanks for watching this video and bye.